Hello everyone and welcome to our latest video. We are taking you to Walt Disney World. Specifically, we are headed to the All-Star Music Resort. Now, this is a resort that our family has been visiting since we were 6 years old. Of course, we've tried other resorts, but this one just feels like home and is why we continue to come back to it almost every year. Now, this is Maestro Mickey's. This is the store that they have at the music resort, and it is a great place to pick up some fun souvenirs. All over the walls, there are pictures of music stars from all different decades. It's really fun to just take a walk through this Hall of Fame, as it were, and see how many you recognize. This is the guitar pool for the All-Star Music Resort, and we absolutely love it. It is so much fun to spend time here. Calypso and Jazz are actually two of the closest resorts to buildings to the where you can eat, and those do cost a little extra, but it is so nice not to have to walk so far to some of the other rooms that are kind of far away. This is me, Sarah, going to our room at the Broadway section. Now, Broadway isn't the furthest away, but it's pretty close. It is a beautiful section, though. They have Mary Poppins, Aladdin posters, Frozen on Broadway. It's just a really fun section, even though we love all of the sections. This one is a fun one to get. Although you can't really pick which one you get, it is a fun surprise when you get there. So it really is a fun resort. We love it. This is part of the Broadway section. It's just a nice little park. It almost looks like something out of Mary Poppins. It's a nice little stroll that you can take back towards where you park. But they have all these beautiful hedges, and there's always a few of the little lizards running around, which we love to say hello to them every time we come because they become somewhat of a staple that we see every year. These plants that are growing here are just gorgeous. The landscaping is beautiful and always impeccable. The trees, the lampposts, everything in this section is pretty magical. So we definitely recommend this resort. We are here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort, and we do have a lot of luggage, so I apologize that there's luggage everywhere. But this is the room, and as you can see, there's one bed that is set up and ready to go, and then there's another Murphy bed. That way you can put it away in the daytime, and then you can have a nice place to sit and eat. There's also another little nook back here and places to charge your phone. And then this bed too has all of the pillows that you will need. There is a lot on there. And here is another table with the light switches and your telephone and a nice little cubby. And this beautiful artwork of Minnie, Mickey, and Donald. And this is the TV if you want to watch TV, but you're at Disney. How much TV are you really going to be watching? There's too much to do in the parks. And then you've got all of your dressers, and I think in here is a safe with some shelving. And yeah. Ooh. And then back over here, there is a beverage cooler with another drawer, and then this is a little coffee and tea station here. And then there's your ice bucket, which you can go get ice when you need it. So here is the closet that they have here, and there is an ironing board, iron, blow dryer, lots of shelving. And then there's the sink and the mirror. And there's another mirror for you when you're doing your makeup. There is a trash can out here, and the bathroom, you've got a shower and a tub. Let's see. This nice tile, and then there is the famous Disney Resort H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They have had that for as long as I can remember almost. Although I do still remember a time before that. There's all of your towels, and these are pocket doors that close with another mirror. So that is the room resort tour. Going back to the mirror.
And one more thing, there is another divider too for the bathroom, just to show you.
So you can have some privacy.
Hey guys, we're just going to show you how the Murphy bed works. It's nice that this can be a nice table and free up some of the space during the day. We're going to pop the chairs over here.
Not the strongest person in the world. There we go. Thank you.
You just pull it down. So this all folds under. And there you have it. And we've got a sleepy Huey, Dewey, and Louie and all their dreams.
It works just like magic. So one thing I do want to mention for this room review is when you have the Murphy bed down, there is not a lot of space between the bed and between this like chest of drawers console area here. It's pretty tight, so just keep that in mind. There's a lot more room between the bed and here. It's just the Murphy bed does come out a lot further than this one does, so that's something just to keep in mind. Alrighty, so that was our room review of the All-Star Music Standard Room. We hope you enjoyed it. This is one of our favorite resorts to stay at. We've been staying here for almost 28 years now, I think. We have stayed at other resorts, which we hope to bring you more room reviews from them. But for this video, that is all. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you like this video.
And hit the bell notification so you know each time we upload. Thanks for watching, and we will see you real soon.